Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a frame with light. First, let's gather our materials. You'll need 4 pieces of wood for the frame, perhaps measuring 1 inch by 2 inches, cut to your desired length, like 12 inches by 12 inches for a square frame. Also, grab some LED strip lights, a translucent diffuser panel, and a suitable power adapter. Having these ready makes the building process much smoother and more enjoyable. Now, let's build the frame itself. Carefully measure and cut your 4 wood pieces to the exact lengths needed for your frame's perimeter. For a 12-inch by 12-inch frame, you'd cut 2 pieces at 12 inches and 2 at 10 and 1/2 inches if using 1 and 1/2 inch wide wood. Use mitered corners for a professional look or simple butt joints. Apply wood glue to the joints and reinforce them with small nails or screws for strong, lasting stability. With the frame assembled, it's time to integrate the lighting. Take your LED strip lights and carefully adhere them to the inside perimeter of the frame. Most strips have an adhesive backing for easy application. If your frame is 12 inches by 12 inches, you might use a strip about 48 inches long. Connect the positive and negative terminals of the LED strip to your power adapter, ensuring all connections are secure and insulated for safety. Finally, let's add the diffuser and power up your creation. Carefully cut your translucent diffuser panel, perhaps acrylic or frosted glass, to fit snugly inside the frame, resting just above the LED strips. This panel will evenly spread the light, eliminating harsh spots. Secure it in place with small clips or a thin bead of silicone. Plug in your power adapter and watch your beautiful, custom-made light frame come to life, ready to brighten any space.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.